show you how to connect the external Bluetooth switch with the iPad and then use it as a click method and actually any other action which would you like with the eye gaze and with our Hiru. So let's have a look on it. Let's go firstly to settings and let's make sure that our Bluetooth is on. So I turn on my Bluetooth and I also turn on my Bluetooth switch. I wait and they got connected. After the connection, I need to go to accessibility, touch, assistive touch, and under the devices, I can customize the action which I want that the switch will perform then. I have here double switch, so I can even use two actions. Let's go to the name, like so how the switch is named. And here I have to click on the customize additional buttons. In this moment I have to click on my switch so the iPad can recognize which switch should like activate, and here I can find which action I would like to do. So it's the single tap for the first switch which I would like to choose. Then I can do the other one, the same thing, I repeat, and I can do open menu. I have now these two actions, and these two actions allows me that I can make my assistive touch menu completely disappear, and then I have like the whole screen like empty and the assistive touch menu doesn't interfere with any icon. So this I can make in the page of assistive touch where you have most of the settings for the eye gaze. Under in the section pointer devices, here is a part always show menu. Let's turn it off for now and let's try how it works in reality. So now I will just open the menu and I will resume the dwell time, and now I can go, for example, to prolong call.
Hi. I. How. Is. Are. You. Hi, how are you?
And if I
Hi, how are you?
I just click on the menu and go back to home.